Yes, this is Shipra again with a new exciting DIY activity. And I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for a nice Halloween related activity. Yes, kids, you heard it right. This is related to Halloween, but I am not going to show you it just now. What we have to do, you all know. So let's get together and do the ritual. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Awesome. Okay, let us just show you what we are going to make today. So we have this nice, yes, the ghost cutouts, the curly ghosts, which you can use as your backdrop for the decoration, as your decoration for the door, or even for cards. Any way you can use it. So let us just see what all things do we need for it. We need a white sheet, a thick white sheet, a A4 size white sheet, and A4 size black color sheet, thick black sketch pen. We need Caesar kits. So we need Caesar, thick black sketch pen, as I told you. And I have used this simple white color pencil. You can use a white color pencil also. This is all we need, and this is quite simple. Let me just tell you how we are going to make it. So we'll fold our A4 size sheet like this. Okay. And we will cut it with the help of a Caesar. This we are going to use for these simple strips, these feet and hands and all. Okay, we'll keep it aside. And then we are going to make 3 or 4 ghosts. It depends on you. I have done this folding, so I will cut out 4 ghosts now. Okay. So what I have done, I have folded my A4 sheet like this, and again I have folded it like this. So I will cut my ghost, the shape of the ghost, same together in one go only. And what you have to do, you have to make a big V kind of a thing, a little broader V from here. Okay. So something like this. Okay. And we'll cut it. So you can see this has come out. Now we have to make those zigzag lines, which also we are going to cut together only, kids. So just a simple V like this. Hope it is visible to you, or I can take a thick sketch pen to show you. I will be cutting the 4 ghosts together. This time I am making 4 ghosts. Okay. Just cut it zigzag. Yes. So this is your 4 ghosts are almost ready. We just need to do the black outline, and we just need to cut the frills. So let me just make their faces. Again, as we are making ghosts, we can make whatever face, eyes and face we want to do. Okay. Again, take a thick dark sketch pen. and simply make a outline. Okay. Now I'm making the eyes, the face and the eyes. So this is my happy ghost. Okay. This is quite simple. You can do it together, the cuttings and all. And then you can just draw the shape of the eyes and so this is my another ghost. So this time see I have made a zigzag and a straight line. So whatever face you want to, mouth you want to give the look, you can give. So just do the black outline properly. So this way I am preparing the fourth one. Then I will show you how to make the curly legs of the ghost. Okay. So whatever faces you want to make, you can make. Now I will take this strip and I will just do the measurement. Okay. So you can see we have to make 4 folds like this. 1. Or what we can do, we can just simply divide it into a half like this and then again give it a fold like this. And very simply, we are just going to give 4 cuts. Okay. From the top also, we can just give a little bit cutting like this. And we'll cut it from here. Yes, kids, we missed one thing. We will be definitely requiring glue to stick it. You simply cut it like this. Okay, this is done. Now we'll take a pencil and we'll just roll it upside down like this. And then leave it. You can do some rollings till the top, some you can just leave it at the bottom. This is basically just to give the frill kind of a look, which you can give as per your likings. You can fold them more, you can just leave it like this. So some you can take to the top, some you can just leave it at the end, at the bottom only, just like this. Okay, so our ghosts are also ready. Their curly hair or feet are also ready, and now we are just simply going to stick it with the glue, which I missed that we need as a material. We need the glue also. Okay, and we'll just see how to place them. And simply we'll stick it like this. So in the center, you can write boo, you can write happy Halloween, whatever you want to write, you can. Right. Okay. Yes. So this is done. Now we'll start sticking. Hope it is visible clearly. So what we will do, we'll just first stick the curly feet or the hair at the center like this. And then we'll apply glue again and we'll stick it. Okay. Same way we'll do this, the last one also. So this is done. And now with this pencil, what I am going to do, I am just going to write boom. Or you can write happy Halloween, whatever you think you want to write. Or if you are using it as a decorative piece for any of your Halloween party for the door, you can write, well, welcome to the spooky world, anything. What you feel you want to write is, you can write in between. I have simply written so this can be used as a nice backdrop. Okay. I hope kids you have liked the Halloween DIY. It was quite simple. You can easily make it. Do let us know how you have liked it. Do share your pictures. Do share your comments. We are eagerly waiting to see your beautiful DIY activities you do. And we are going to meet soon. So this is the time to say bye. Shipra is going to come up with a nice more and more DIY activities. Till then, take care and happy Halloween. Boom!